students, in a series of measurement. Today's topic is finding fraction of quantities. Let us take one question. 1 by 2 gram in milligram. So there is a quantity which is in form of weight. So here we need to find out 1 by 2 gram and in which form, in milligram. So at first what we will do, we will convert this gram into milligram. So we know that 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. That's why we can multiply this 1 by 2 by 1000 milligram. So now you can solve it. You know how to find out fraction of any quantity. 1 by 2 into 1000. How you will solve? Yes, we will divide it. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So what we will get? 500 milligram. Let us take one more question. Now here is measurement of length and you need to find out fraction of this kilometer. It means 3 by 4 kilometer you need to find out, but in form of meter. So what you will do, you will convert this kilometer in meter, and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. That's why we will multiply 3 by 4 by 1000 meter. Now how you will solve? At first we will simplify it. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Here 4 fives are 20 and 0 as it is. Now you need to multiply this 3 and 250 meter. So what you will get? 750 meter. Let's do one word problem. A basket contains 3 kilograms 705 gram of mangoes. 2/3 of mangoes are eaten by Mr. Khanna. Rinki, his daughter, gets 2 by 5 of the remaining mangoes. What is her share in grams? So here, understand the word problem, write the statements, then solve it. So simple. So here, total mangoes. How many mangoes? 3 kilograms 705 gram, and we can write it in form of decimal also. It is 3.705 kilogram. Now next thing is 2/3 of mangoes are eaten by Mr. Khanna. So number of mangoes are eaten by Mr. Khanna is 2/3 of mangoes. How many mangoes? 3.705. It means 2/3 of 3.705 kilogram. We need to find out the fraction of this 3.705 kilogram. So we can replace this off by the sign of multiplication, you know very well. So 2/3 multiply 3.705 kilogram. Now just multiply these two values and then divide by 3. When we multiply 2 and 3.705, we will get this 7.410 by 3 kilogram. Now divide in 7.410 by 3 and you will get this 2.470 kilogram. Now next is Rinki, his daughter, gets 2 by 5 of the remaining mangoes. Remaining mangoes means total mangoes are 3.705 kilogram. Mr. Khanna ate 2.470 kilogram. So remaining mangoes means do subtraction. 3.705 kilogram minus 2.470 kilogram. So remaining mangoes will be 1.235 kilogram. Now we need to find out Rinki's share, and Rinki's share is 2 by 5 into 1.235 kilogram. Now solve this. At first divide in this number by 5 and what you will get? This 0.247 and multiply it by 2 and what you will get? 0.494 kilogram, or we can say 494 grams. It means her share is 494 grams. Next question is, Vedant walks 7 by 10 kilometer from his home to the bus stop. So first thing which is given to you, distance from home to bus stop, or we can say he traveled from home to bus stop equals to 7 by 10 kilometer. Then he boards a bus at the bus stop and travels 3 by 4 kilometer to his school. So what is the distance from bus stop to school? It is 3 by 4 kilometer. So what is the total distance? Total distance means just do addition. It is a sum of addition. 7 by 10 kilometer plus 3 by 4 kilometer, and these are in form of fractions. And you know how to add fractions where denominators are different. You will take LCM. LCM of 10 and 4 is 20. So what you will get? 20 as LCM. Then 10 2s are 20. So 7 multiply 2 plus this 4 5s are 20. So 5 multiply 3. Solve this part. What you will get? 14 plus 15 by 20 kilometer, or we can say 29 by 20 kilometer. And when you will divide in 29 by 20, you know that in form of decimal you will get 1.45 kilometer, and you can convert it into meter also. How? Just multiply this by 1000 meter, because in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meters. So what you will get? 1450 meters. So in form of meter, your answer is 1450 meter, and in form of kilometer, your answer is 1.45 kilometer. Next part problem is Anshu had 4 by 5 kilograms of wafers. He packed all the wafers equally in 5 small packets. How many grams of wafers were there in each packet? So you know, whenever you need to find out anything which is for 1, then you need to do division. So it is a sum of division. So how? Let us solve. Anshu had 4 by 5 kilogram of wafers. It means total quantity of wafers equals to 4 by 5 kilogram. He packed all the wafers equally in 5 small packets. It means number of packets equals to 5. How many grams of wafers were there in each packet? It means wafers in each packet equal to 4 by 5 kilogram divided by 5. Now you know division of fraction. So it is a question of divisor of fraction also. So how we will solve 4 by 5 kilogram? We will replace the sign of division by sign of multiplication, and we will write reciprocal of 5. It is a rule, right? So we will do like this: 4 by 5 kilogram into 1 by 5. Now solve this. It is 4 by 25 kilogram. And when you will convert it into gram, how you will convert? You know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. So just write down 1000 gram here. Now just solve it. You know that 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So what you will get? 4 multiply 40 gram. It means 160 grams. So what is your final answer? There were 160 grams wafers in each packet. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.